Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can change your chat color in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone. After you do this, go ahead and click on your profile, which you see on the top left hand corner of your screen. Then tap on Appearance. After that, you should go to Chat Colors and Wallpaper. You can see the chat color option. Go ahead and tap on chat color and you can see various chat colors. You can change the chat color if you want over here, and if you want to create your own color and mix, go ahead and tap on plus and you can see that you can easily customize your color from here. So you can do this and you can click save, or else you can choose your own color as well. Go ahead and click on this color and right now you can see the color has been chosen. So if you want to change it, you can do it anytime. Go ahead and click on your profile, appearance, and click on chat color and wallpaper. Then the final step is to click on chat color and choose the color which you want. This way you can easily change the chat color. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.